Hey, it's Dr. Tomasetti. I want to show you the new office. Come with me. So when you come in, there's a front desk here. You'll check in. And our reception area is this way. Bathroom right here. This is where we do some consultations. And this room over here. Come on with me. And sometimes we use technology to help us out, so you get to see the different techniques and the different things that we can use to help you out. And let's walk over this way. We'll show you the initial testing area. We have a lot of high-tech stuff we do, computer-based testing, helps us see what's going on in your system and how we can address the things that you're coming in and your health concerns. We'll explain more details about each of these in some other videos so you can see what's going on, but just the lay of the land. Over here is one of our treatment rooms, and there's another one that's very similar next door. Come on over here. And everybody loves the views, so we get a nice view of the creek, except when the leaves are there, but it's a really nice place to be. And then we'll go over this way. There's a restroom right here, and then down the hall is our therapy bay. My office is over this way, and then here's where the rest of the healing and the magic happens. And we have our foot bath station over this way. And then that's basically a big circle. You're right back to the front desk again.